Hello everyone, my name is Andrea Sharpenstein and I am the instructor for this course. So I'm recording this just to give you guys an overview of the new Blackboard Ultra. So this is going to be a generalized video for both my lecture, Bio 112, and my lab, Bio 113. Whenever you open either course, you'll be taken to this screen and you can just click through some of the course content right here to see what's going on. The first link is going to be towards any extra help, library study, tutoring services you might need, accommodations. Here's an extra Blackboard Ultra tutorial for you to see. And then Lab has the same exact one. And now, as far as our syllabus and course information, you'll want to start here. Here you'll see the course overview, some learning objectives that we're going to hit this semester. My information, the syllabus is uploaded over here. Course assignments and due dates, this is straight from the syllabus, but it breaks down everything that is due weekly, and all due dates are Sundays at 10:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So depending on which time zone you're in taking this course, please keep that in mind. Late work is not accepted. This course is really fast paced. So if you get behind, it'll be really difficult to get caught up. So to eliminate that, I don't accept late work. However, in the lab as well, you'll have multiple attempts at your objectives each week, at your labs and your assignments to be able to complete everything on time. Moving on to the syllabus acknowledgement. So each semester in our online courses, the college requires us to have basically a no-show quiz that you must complete by Thursday at 10:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to remain in the course. So please make sure you get this done. It's a quick acknowledgement quiz, if you will, with question about the syllabus just to ensure that you read it. And then your first discussion board assignment will also be under the Student Start Here course information. Now, whenever you start on the assignments, you'll hit on one of the topic modules, have a little overview of what it's about, lecture notes with PowerPoint recordings that I've done myself, a couple extra YouTube videos right here, and then you'll have these two items. The first item will be the reading material that you'll click on and just go through, the few pages of reading material for chapter 1. And after you get that completed, you'll be able to do your Smart Book assignment. So this is where most of your grades come from, Smart Books. Whenever you click on that first link, that's your reading assignment. I've already got it open. It'll take you to this page. And this is what that looks like. And you'll just click through all of the reading you'll have to complete for the assignment. And then there are multiple choice questions here as well for you to practice with. Let's get out of that. Whenever you open up the Smart Book assignment, it'll take you to this page. If you want to do more reading, you'll hit continue reading. But if you're ready to start with the questions, you'll just hit on the continue questions piece and you'll have several multiple choice questions to complete. After you have chosen an answer, you'll rate your confidence high, medium, or low, and then submit it and move on to the next question. Similarly, in lab, you'll open up one of these modules. I've got one open right here. I've got lab safety open, so I clicked on lab safety. It brought me to this page. This is a good notes page for you to just read through. And when you're ready to complete the lab, you'll hit continue to laboratory simulation. And you'll have these steps to complete to be able to move on to the next phase. And when you are completed, you'll just hit the arrow to the right and then move on to the next phase. And you'll have unlimited attempts for the lab portions. So I hope this is a pretty good overview. You'll have some quizzes to do. You can always go to the calendar tab to see when everything is due. I like to do due dates by month. So you see that the first Thursday, your syllabus acknowledgement is due. And then Sundays, you'll have other items as well. Now, the lab and the lecture both provide this calendar that I really like to use myself. And that's it for now. Both courses, you'll have quizzes to complete after several chapters. And then at the end of the course, you'll have a final exam. In lecture, you'll have a pedigree assignment before that you'll see uploaded, and they'll send you information about. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email. I email within 2 business days, but typically I'll check it a lot more quickly than that, and you should have a response from me within the day. So I hope that this has given you a better understanding of how to navigate Blackboard Ultra. Again, if you need anything, please email me. You can find my email under course information, instructor information, and I'll be sending everybody an announcement before your first day of classes. All right, that's all I got. Let's have a great semester.